Hello, amazing students. In math, on Monday and Tuesday, you're going to be working with fact families, division and multiplication fact families. What is a fact family? Well, that's a set of numbers that go together to form multiplication sentences and their related division sentences. As you can see in this fact family house, we have the number 72, 8, and 9. We have two multiplication sentences that go with that. 9 times 8 is 72. And because of the commutative property, we can flip those numbers around to 8 times 9 equals 72. Another way to look at that is 9 of the 8s equals 72, or 8 of the 9s equals 72. We also have two related division sentences that go with that. So we have the division equation 72 divided by 9 equals 8. That means that if you break 72 into 9 groups, you'll get 8 in a group. And if you take 72 divided by 8, you'll get 9. And if you notice, those relate to the problems up here. That's a fact family. So let's see what we're going to do in particular. You're going to get those fact family houses. You're going to get ones that look like this. I have 36, 4, and 9. So some of you may know that 4 of the 9s is 36. And some of you may know that 9 of the 4s, that fact, that commutative property, that flipped fact, is also true, that 9 4s equals 36 and 4 9s equals 36. But some of you may not know that 9 goes into 36 4 times, and 4 goes into 36 9 times. That's the division. So 36 divided by 9 equals 4. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. So what are you going to be doing exactly with this page? Well, let me model it on this page. So I know that 4 of the 9s equals 36. If we're taking 4 9s, it's going to be bigger than either the 9 or the 4, 36. So 4 times 9 equals 36. I also know that 9 of the 4s equals 36. So I know that 9 times 4, or 9 of the 4s, equals 36. Now we have those division equations, which are always more confusing, just like subtraction is usually more confusing than addition. But if we know that 4 9s is 36, then we know if we break 36 into 9 groups, we get 4 in a group. So we're going to always start out our division equation, third grade, with our largest number. So 36 in 9 groups equals 4 in a group. And 36 divided into 4 groups will give us 9 in a group. So let's see if we can try one more of those. I'm going to go to a small number one just for the heck of it. So I'm going to do 6, 3, 2. I know that 3 of the 2s equals 6, and I know 2 of the 3s equals 6. So I know those two multiplication equations. 3 of the 2s, or 3 times 2, equals 6. And I know that 2 of the 3s equals 6. If that's true, if I know that 3 goes into 6 2 times, or 2 goes into 6 3 times, I can do the division. So 6 divided by 2, or split into 2 groups, gives me 2 groups of 3. And 6 divided into 3 groups gives me 3 groups of 2. Let's see. Let's do one more, just for the sake of it. So I'm going to do a big number this time. I am going to do 100. And I'm going to do 100, and I'm thinking about quarters. I'm thinking about money. You're not going to have to do any of this large, but I just want to show you how it works with even larger numbers. I know that 4 quarters equals $1. 4 times 25 equals 100. And if that's true, I know that 25 fours equals 100. And if those are true, I know that if I take 100 and I divide it into quarters, right? Divide into groups of 25, I get 4 groups. So 100 divided by 25 equals 4. And I have only got one member of the family left. So if I divide 100 into 4 groups, I get 25 in a group. Now you're not going to have problems this large. Let's look at that original paper again. The numbers you're given, the fact families you're given are 28, 7, and 4, and 6, 5, and 30, 3, 8, and 24, 7, 9, and 63, 2, 4, and 8, 6, 7, and 42, 3, 6, and 18, and 5, 9, and 45. I hope you enjoy this. It's a great way to get used to doing your facts. If you start remembering that they're families, it makes your division a lot easier. So best of luck. Look forward to seeing your completed work.